Yo, what's up everyone? It's Santanu. Today we're diving into the top 10 certifications for IT students in 2025 to give you that extra edge. Whether you're just starting your IT journey or looking to level up, these certifications are your golden ticket to landing that dream job. We're talking about in-demand skills, industry recognition, and a serious boost to your earning potential. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss career-changing insights. Now let's get started with number 10. Coming in at number 10, we have the CompTIA A+. Now, you might be thinking, the A+, isn't that entry level? And you'd be right. But here's the thing, a strong foundation is everything in IT. The A+ is your launchpad, proving you've got the baseline knowledge to troubleshoot hardware, software, and everything in between. Think of it like this, you wouldn't build a house on shaky ground, would you? The A+ is your solid foundation. It shows you're serious about IT and ready to learn. Plus, it's a stepping stone to more specialized certifications down the line. With the rise of IoT and edge computing, understanding hardware and software interactions is more crucial than ever. At number 9, we have the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification. Cloud computing is dominating the tech landscape and AWS is leading the charge. This certification is your gateway into that world, proving you understand cloud concepts and the basics of AWS. It's designed for anyone, even those just starting their cloud journey. Having this certification on your resume speaks volumes. It shows employers you're cloud aware and ready to dive into cloud-based projects. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, AWS is everywhere. Landing at number 8 is the Cisco Certified Network Associate, better known as the CCNA. This certification has been a staple in the IT world for years, and for good reason. It's your badge of honor in the realm of networking. Our world runs on connections from the internet to smart home devices. The CCNA certifies you have the skills to install, configure, and troubleshoot those networks. It dives deep into networking protocols, security fundamentals, and emerging technologies like wireless networking and automation. Whether you're passionate about network infrastructure or just want a solid understanding of how networks function, the CCNA is invaluable. At number 7, we have CompTIA Security Plus. Cybersecurity is non-negotiable in 2025. Data breaches, ransomware attacks. The threat is real. The CompTIA Security Plus certification validates your knowledge of core security principles. We are talking about threat assessment, risk mitigation, cryptography, access control, and more. Security Plus is vendor neutral, giving you a broad understanding of security concepts applicable across different platforms. Whether you're aiming for a dedicated security role or want to integrate security best practices into your current skill set, the CompTIA Security Plus is essential. In today's digital landscape, it's a must-have certification. Coming in at number 6, it's Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, also known as the AZ900. Azure is Microsoft's powerhouse in the cloud arena, and it's gaining momentum. This certification is your introduction to the world of Azure. You'll learn about core cloud services, security, privacy, compliance, and even pricing and support options. The AZ900 is designed for anyone, regardless of their technical background. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or just curious about the cloud, this certification is a great starting point. Having the AZ 900 on your resume signals to employers that you're familiar with this powerful platform. At number 5, we have the Certified Ethical Hacker or CEH. This one's for those who like to think outside the box or maybe even break into it. Ethically, of course. CEH is all about understanding the mindset of a hacker. You'll learn how vulnerabilities are exploited, how attacks are carried out, and most importantly, how to defend against them. It dives deep into penetration testing, vulnerability analysis, and social engineering tactics. In a world where cyber threats are constantly evolving, ethical hackers are on the front lines. The CEH is a globally recognized certification that opens doors to a range of exciting and in-demand roles. Landing at number 4, it's the Google Cloud Digital Leader Certification. Google's cloud offering is a major player known for its innovation in areas like machine learning and data analytics. This certification is unique because it's not just about technical skills. It's about understanding the power of digital transformation. You'll learn how businesses can leverage cloud technologies to innovate, scale, and gain a competitive edge. The Google Cloud Digital Leader Certification is designed for anyone, regardless of their role or technical background. Whether you're a marketer, a salesperson, or a student, this certification shows your forward thinking. In today's digital landscape, being a Google Cloud Digital Leader sets you apart. At number 3, we have the Project Management Professional or PMP certification. PMP is the gold standard for project managers worldwide. It proves you can effectively manage projects. PMP equips you with versatile skills for any industry. Coming in at number 2, we have the Certified Information Systems Security Professional or CISP certification. The CISP validates your expertise in designing, implementing, and managing a top-tier cybersecurity program. It covers 8 critical domains, from security and risk management to asset security. The CSSP requires at least 5 years of experience. Earning it proves you're living and breathing cybersecurity. It's your ticket to sought after roles like security consultants and managers. And finally, at number 1, the must-have certification for IT students in 2025 is, drumroll please, the Google Certified Professional Data Engineer. In a world drowning in data, those who can harness its power hold the keys to the kingdom. This certification is your passport to the exciting world of big data. You'll learn how to design, build, and manage secure and scalable data pipelines, turning raw data into actionable insights. The Google Certified Professional Data Engineer certification dives deep into cloud technologies, data warehousing, machine learning, and real-time data processing. In today's data-driven world, organizations are desperate for skilled data engineers. This certification is your launchpad to a career at the forefront of innovation. So, there you have it, the top 10 certifications for IT students in 2025. Whether you're passionate about cloud computing, cybersecurity, data science, or just want a solid foundation in IT fundamentals, there's a certification on this list to boost your career prospects. Remember, the tech landscape is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is key. Embrace a growth mindset, stay curious, and never stop exploring new technologies. Did your favorite certification make the list? Comment below, and don't forget to Subscribe for more career tips and tech insights. Until next time.